Hey guys, I'm Bob, and today I'd like to give a quick review of this PetAmi Dog Fanny Pack that I've been using for a little bit over 3 years. I usually don't like to review anything until I've used it for a long time, and this one I've used for a long time. I do dog walking, dog sitting, and cat sitting on the side. I've been doing that for about 4 years. So today I'd like to take off my dog fanny pack and bring it into my workshop so I can show you the details and the features of this PetAmi dog fanny pack. So let's head in. Okay guys, so I'm currently in my workshop and I'm going to take off the fanny pack. It just requires just pushing down on this latch. The latch is very similar to a latch you will find like on a baby car seat, or they're very popular. I don't know the exact name of this type of latch, but it's held up for me for over 3 years. Just push it in and you push it out. The actual strap is 52 inches long, so if you're fairly large, it'll be fine for you. I'm a size 34-inch waist, and it's perfect for me. It's very adjustable, so there's a lot of extra strap that I have here for if it was needed. So this is still loaded up for my dog walking and dog sitting tomorrow. So I have a full day tomorrow. I have 3 visits during the day, and then on Tuesday morning I have another visit. So what I really want to do is show you how much that this actually holds. So I'm going to just take out stuff one by one. So I'm unleashing this is the bigger kind of pouch in the back, and I always bring a flashlight because oftentimes I'm walking the dogs in the dark, especially during the winter months. I live in the northeast of the United States, New Hampshire. So here's I also can put the dog treats in separate plastic containers, because I found that if you just dump them into the pouch, it can get messy, etc. So I try to keep them separate. I have 3 different types of treats. There's a reason for it, but I'm not going to go into the details of that. And these are actually greenies. And if you're a dog person, you kind of know what a greenie is. I also put some extra poop bags in here if I need them. But that's the big portion. It also has a separate kind of meshed portion inside, which is kind of nice. Hopefully you can see that. So it's very big. I put these 3 big containers of treats in there with some extra poop bags. So that's perfect if you wanted to put your phone, your keys. You could do that. You could even put a dog ball in there, a chuck-it ball or something like that. It would fit in there fine. Now, there's also reflective stitching on the front, which is safe. It adds a level of safety so cars can see you. They'll see the reflection. And actually, that's still in decent shape after more than 3 years. You can see this is where the poop bags come out. It's just kind of a section with a hole that you'll see in a moment where it comes from. Now this is the front portion. Let me just measure. I'm going to measure the length of the zipper compartment in the back. It's 8 inches long, and the zippered compartment in the front is about 6 inches long. So let's undo that, and I just keep in here some. I always carry some Band-Aids with me because sometimes the dogs might have long claws and get a little bit overzealous. Not that they're attacking me or anything, they're just being very playful. I also keep a few extra containers of poop bags, and in the front there's a small meshed portion, hopefully you can see that, where I lay the poop bag on its side and I fish it through a hole from the inside out, and this is where the poop bag comes out of. So let me just quickly show you how this works. You just pull it out like this until you get to the point where there's I see a kind of a black band, and then I just pull and you got your new poop bag, and the other one is there for when you need it. So what else does it come with? It also comes with a bowl, a collapsible bowl, and it also has one of these latches on it as well, and it just opens up into a bowl if you wanted to give the dog some water on a long walk on a hot day, for example. And so I think the new ones look blue and have the PetAmi symbol, so I'm going to just collapse it, and I'm going to hook up to, there are D-rings on both sides of the strap, the belt, and you can put that right in here. These D-rings can also be used if you wanted to latch the leash to the D-ring and maybe run with the dog. I don't do that. I'll always hold the leash. I do run with the dogs occasionally, but I'll hold the leash. I won't latch it up to the actual PetAmi bag. But this is how it can, hang off the side if you wanted to use the bowl. There's two kind of pouches on either side. One you could actually put a water bottle. A regular water bottle will fit in, say, that one. I don't use them for water bottles. I'll show you what I do. Usually when I have a poop bag that is full, I will put them in here after they're all tied up. I'll put them in here, and then when I get back to the house or whatever, I'll dispose of them in a trash bag. But on the other side, I always keep a couple of booties. These are kind of water resistant booties, and I always put them on my feet when I go into someone's house. These are a little ratty, a little hairy too from the dogs, but I have a whole slew of these, and I'll replace them every couple of days. I think I bought like 300 of them for a fairly cheap price. So I always keep those in here, especially if it's raining out or something. I always want to cover up my shoes. I guess I could take my shoes off, but I usually just cover them up with something like that, with these booties. So those are all the containers. Oh, there's one other feature. Take that off. There is also another container right here. It's kind of like a pouch, and it has one of these kind of a knob that you push down, and that opens up the pouch. And I have a rag in here. I used to walk a coonhound, and coonhounds are known for having a lot of saliva on their mouths, and so I used to use this to clean the saliva off from the coonhound. But I don't walk that coonhound anymore. The owner decided to start walking the dog himself. He was kind of a disabled guy, and he was feeling good enough to start walking the dog on his own. So that's what I keep in there. You could put anything in here. You could put money in here. You could put keys in here. It just connects to the inside of the connects to the side of the belt of the fanny pack. So I'm just going to put that back in there. I haven't used this in a while because I stopped walking that dog a year and a half ago or so. So that's, I think, everything. Couple of features. is that it's made out of durable Oxford polyester. So it's very strong. It's been very strong for me. I haven't had any problems. If you look at it, it's got no holes, no rips at all. I've used this for over 3 years, and I'm out with dogs at least 3 or 4 times a week, sometimes more. So it's it's in really good shape. You're not supposed to throw this in a washing machine. It's supposed to hand wash it. I've never hand washed it. It's a little dirty here, a little mildewy here. But as far as, being in excellent shape, it's strong. As I said, I don't like to review things until I use them for a while. And this has been fantastic. And you can get one of these on Amazon for $19.99 on Chewy. It's the same exact price today. I checked today. So $19.99. PetAmi also makes many different other kind of pet-related products. You can check them out if you're interested in. I will leave links in the description if you're interested in purchasing this particular dog fanny pack. There's so many different names they give to these. They call them treat pouch for dog walking, for dog training. I don't do dog training. I do dog walking, dog sitting, and cat sitting. The features that they say in the description: built-in poop bag dispenser, water bottle holder, collapsible bowl, waist belt for hiking, running, kibbles. This is black. There are, I think I saw that there's like 7 different colors. So if you don't like black, you can get all different colors. I can't remember what they were, but I was happy with black. I asked my daughter to get me a black one, and I don't think you can go wrong. For 20 bucks, I've had it for over 3 years, and it stood the test of time. Very durable. So, as I say, links will be in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And I'm going to put everything back in so that I'm ready for tomorrow. And I'll be able to give the dogs the treats that they deserve. And, walk them. It'll be in the dark because I go very early in the morning. I'm usually at the house around 4:30, 4:45. So I need this. That's going to go right on the top. And the zippers have held up great over the years. So I hope you enjoyed the video. The product is made by PetAmi, P-E-T, capital A-M-I. And I hope you'll like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll talk to you next time.